Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Miguel's View. And today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Is Dogecoin going to $1? Is it going to sell off before Saturday? Is it going to go to the moon? What is going to happen with Dogecoin? Well, we're going to cover it all here on Miguel's View. So you don't want to miss it. Go ahead and click that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of my Dogecoin series videos. Levels have been hitting exactly on what we'd say on this video, so you don't want to miss it. Go ahead and click like and subscribe. All right, guys, so before we get into the charts, let's go ahead and see what is going on in the news with Dogecoin. Saturday Night Live could make or break Dogecoin. That is true. Okay, so SNL on Saturday, Elon Musk can make it or break it. Is this going to be another buy the rumors, sell the news type of event? Remember April 20th, where was Dogecoin Day? It was supposed to go to the moon, and it didn't. It sold off. Why did it sell off? Because it broke some technical levels. So it is important that you pay attention to the charts, and that's what I'm here for, right? To help you understand the charts, not to give you investment advice, but to help you understand and then make the decision for yourself. Let's look at what else is happening. Alabama, this map shows where people are talking most about Dogecoin. Check this out. All right. Dogecoin. All right. So Dogecoin interest in the U.S. All right. So we have this. And we have Alabama, #1, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Utah, Florida, Idaho, Alaska. Oh, man, where's Texas? Okay. We're right in here, but we're right a little bit less, but you know what? In my area, people are talking about Dogecoin. So I don't know. Maybe it's just different parts of Texas. But overall, you can see the whole United States is talking about Dogecoin. As a matter of fact, they show the whole country. Everybody's talking about Dogecoin. What is happening with Dogecoin? So there's a lot of talks. Should you invest in Dogecoin? All right. Will Elon Musk SNL appearance help Dogecoin break $1? I mean, that talk is just going on. Is it going to be an infomercial about Dogecoin? You know, in the 90 minutes, he'll be there. Dogecoin up 12,000%. That is insane. Let's see what else. All right, so that's basically it. All right, let's go ahead and go into the charts. Hope you're having a great day. Oh, look at Dogecoin. Nice. All right, Dogecoin. All right, so what happened with Dogecoin? All right, it came, and remember, we had this flag, and I said we have to break it, or we're going to come and test this trend line, right? We did exactly just that, my friends. That's why you need to be subscribed to this video, to this channel. You need to be subscribed because I tell you the exact technical areas that you need to know, all right, so you can follow along Dogecoin, right? It hit this support right here. Look at the RSI, hit the bottom oversold territory and bounced right back. Not only did it bounce, but it broke, okay, this downtrend. When you break this downtrend on the RSI, okay, you know what's coming next. You're going to break the downtrend of this kind of flag setup right here. And so what's next? All right, what's next is that we need to break this 67 resistance where we couldn't break it here. And then let's go ahead and stretch our trend line now that we're live. Okay, I'm keeping it the same. You see that, right? So guess where we're going? 80 cents, my friends. We're going to hit 80 cents, right? As long as everything stays according to plan. All right, let's go back. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, same thing, right? When I told you on the last video, we're probably going to come right here. You see this bounce right here in the RSI? We're probably going to come right there, and we're going to bounce off of it. So that's exactly what happened. Look at the MACD. It wants to curl up. Once the MACD, all right, curls up and goes through, guys, we're going to get to MACD traders. We're going to go up there, all right? The good thing is not too many people trade off the 4 hour. A lot of people trade off the daily and the 1 hour. So the daily and the 1 hour, okay, MACD is on positive territory. Everything's going according to plan. Look at the daily, okay? Nothing but green candles. nothing but green candles. Um, if you're not using this, you need to use it. But I'm going to show you a little trick, the Heikinashi candles or Heikinashi. I've heard people pronounce them different ways, right? Heikinashi, whatever Ashley you want, all right? You just select that instead of regular candles, okay? And it gives you better trends, right? You see the charts a bit better. So that's what we're using, all right? And look at that. Everything is going according to plan. People were asking me, should I get out? Well, what do you think? I'm like, just follow the trends. Just follow the trend. We held this, all right? We held this trend line, right? Doge held this trend line like a champ, all right? Look at that. Held right there. We had previous RSI support in this area on the 4 hour, all right? These are technical things that you need to look at. And now we're heading up above, all right? You have to understand too, like here where I am in the United States, it's the afternoon where crypto gets the most volume. Okay, during the day, just kind of going sideways. Once the stock market closes, it's like people shift over to crypto because they want to continue trading. And where do they go? They come to Dogecoin, all right? Dogecoin, that's what they do. All right, so everybody's in Dogecoin right now, and we're moving the price up. Very, very, very nice. Right now, we're at 67 cents. All right, moving along according to plan. We broke this downtrend. That's why you have to follow my videos, guys. I'm telling you exactly. I'm not hyping it up. I'm not telling you we're gonna be at $1 tomorrow. I'm telling you exactly what the charts are telling us, and that's why you need to follow along. All right. So go ahead and click and like this video. All right, and make sure you share with other people so they can follow along with us. Nobody needs to panic. Nobody panic. All right. People are panicking because we're selling off right here, but you can't. You shouldn't panic. Right. You draw your supports, and now what it's doing is coming back to its support. RSI, it has to breathe, guys. All right. It can't be up here forever. That's an overbought territory. RSI needs to come down. All right. Needs to give a little breathing room, and then it's gonna come right back up. As long as we held the support. So what would have happened if this candle would have closed below this line? I'll tell you exactly what would have happened. We would have came and test the support level at 45 cents, right? 45 to 50 cents. So that's exactly what would have happened, and people would have loaded up in this area as well. And if it didn't happen, guess what would have happened? You would have continued to sell off to about 34 cents. But that's not the case, all right? Candle on the 1 hour closed above. I'll show you right here. Okay. Candle, all right? This right here coming down, it doesn't make it or break it. It has to, a candle needs to form below this trend, okay? Same thing here. Okay, you can call this a downtrend break because the candle didn't close above the trend. The candle needs to close above the trend. You see this candle right here? Boom. All right. Closed above the trend. And remember, I mentioned in the other videos, once the trend gets broken, okay, stocks, crypto always tend to come and test the line again, and then it'll bounce up. Okay. And that's exactly what happened. That's why you need to subscribe to my channel. I teach you this technical strategies and indicators that not a lot of people are teaching you on YouTube, or if any. I just see a whole bunch of indicators driving you bananas. You get analysis paralysis, like, whoa, what am I looking at? It's too much. They make it so complicated that you don't understand, that you kind of give up. But it's not complicated, right? That's why you need to stick to this channel. Okay. Everything is going according to plan, guys. I've been saying everything is going according to plan since I started making videos in this area right here. And I said, as long as we follow this uptrend, we are Gucci scoochie. There's no need to panic. All right. You hold diamond hands. All right. No paper hands. All right. Now, if it broke trend, well, you can paper hand if you want, whatever. Right. Have your own plan. Have your own due diligence at the end of the day. Right. Don't get in. Okay. Don't get in. People always ask me, when do When should I get in? You get in when we're at support. Okay. This was a good entry. This was a good entry. This was a good entry. All right. Why? Because we're testing the uptrend support. If it comes down again, these are good entries. I was telling you guys right here, these are all good entries. All right. You get up here. All right. You get up here and it comes down here and you start panicking because you went in, 100,000 shares or whatever. And now you're down. You're panicking. All right. Well, who told you to get up there? Probably some other YouTube channel. All right. Hyping the coin. You're going to miss out. You need to go. No. There's always opportunities to get in. You just need to be patient and wait for them. All right. Opportunities. Listen, if you get in the right places, you help everybody else. You help stabilize the support where it should be. All right. We drive the price back up. So if they teach you correctly, it's a win-win for everybody. All right. You bring volume into these areas. Okay. When you learn how to trade properly, you bring value and volume into these areas. All right. Why? Because every time it comes here, look at this. It got bought right back up. Okay. There was a lot of buyers here, guys. A lot of buyers. Okay. When this thing went down, just automatically went back up. This right here too. A lot of buyers. Came right back up. Right here. Boom. Right back up. Here, it was a little bit tug of war, but guess what? The bulls, right? People going long, they won, man. People wanted a sell. People wanted a short. All right. They lost. Right. We held that trend like a champ. All right. That's why it's important that you know exactly where to get in. All right. So if you get in here and it breaks, candle closes above, guess what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You're gonna sell. All right. Or if that's your plan. I mean, you can always average down until you say it's enough, okay? But have your own plan, your own strategy. I give you my point of view. That's what I do in this channel. I give you my point of view. I give you what to look for, and then from there, you develop your own plan, your own strategy. So I hope everybody is doing well with Dogecoin. I wish nothing but the best to everybody holding, making gains. All right. If you have friends, family that want to know, should I buy Dogecoin? Refer them to this channel. Okay. Refer them to this channel. They'll know exactly when a good probability is to buy Dogecoin. All right. Does it mean that the trends are going to hold every single time? No. It could break, but at least if it breaks, okay, your loss is going to be very minimal instead of buying up here, and then breaking here and selling down here, So it is very, very important. Big difference if you know where to get in. Okay. So if friends and family, they want to get in on the bus, tell them, hey, join this channel. I found this guy on the internet. He's pretty cool. He makes it simple. I can understand. I kind of follow his guidelines. I kind of see his point of view. And, from there, I do my analysis myself and I go from there. So, again, I don't give financial advice. I just give you my technical analysis point of view and you decide what you want to do. Right. But right now, guys, we are Gucci. Let's draw this trend line up. Okay. We're looking good. Right. We're looking good. If we go to the 4-hour, right, we're bouncing right back up right here, held this support right here on this RSI bounce right here. So stop looking at the 15-minute, stop looking at the 5-minute, the 1 minute. They're going to drive you nuts. Okay. Don't be doing that. If you're swinging this for long term, all right, meaning more than one day, don't look at 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute. Put your chart at 1 hour. Put your charts at 4 hours. Put it at daily. Okay. They give you the bigger picture of what's going on with Dogecoin. All right. So what's going to happen before Saturday? Is it going to go to $1 by tomorrow? I don't know. Nobody knows. If somebody tells you that they know, they're lying. Ain't nobody ever knows where a stock is going. We just follow price action. We follow charts. Guess what? Doge Day right here, right? Supposed to go to the moon. Did it go to the moon? No, it fell down, right? As soon as this trend broke, you can see candle close. What's next? Flush, flush, and it just continued going down. All right. So this happens tomorrow, all right, and we break below trend. You need to decide, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna diamond hands, and go all the way down to wherever it wants to stop at any of the support levels? Or are you gonna get out and buy back at support and then dive it back up? What are you gonna do? Okay, that is totally up to you. Make sure you have a plan. Make sure you have a strategy. How much are you willing to lose? Always ask yourself when you go in a play, how much am I willing to lose before I cut it? Okay, because if you never cut it, guys, this thing can go back to zero. Nobody ever knows. Okay, that's how people lose all their money. Anything is possible in the market. This thing can go, to $5. This thing can go to zero. Okay, nobody ever knows. They said it was impossible for Dogecoin to ever. It was impossible for Dogecoin to ever go to $1. It was impossible. There's no way Dogecoin could ever go to $1. Right? Well, guess what? We're almost there. We're past halfway there. So nobody ever knows. Nobody ever knows. All right? Put that in your head. Don't let any YouTuber tell you it's gonna go to $1 like that, like they can tell the future. No, nobody ever knows. Okay, we just play it. If it does, and guess what? And they say, I told you so, and you believe them, the next stock they call out, all right, you're gonna put your whole account in, and if it goes to zero, you're gonna be devastated. Why? Because you believe them. All right, that's why it's very important. It's all mental psychology. That's why it's very important that when somebody like I've been making these predictions, right? I've been making these predictions that we're going to hit 70 cents here, that we're going to hit 50 cents here, and that we're going to hit 80 cents like this. How do I know that? Okay. Because the probabilities of the chart setup technical analysis show me, all right, where the next trend is, all right, and where it's going to butt heads. That's how I know that. That's how I can make those predictions. All right. Elon Musk can say, you know what? I sold half of my Dogecoin or whatever. This thing can come down and crash in a matter of seconds. All right. But right now the chart's telling me we're up and we're going, and that's not me just throwing out numbers. I'm giving you technical analysis and reasons why it's going there. All right. So me giving you a prediction that it's going to go to $1. The way we're going, it is looking that we're going to go to $1. Okay, the probabilities are looking really good that it's going to go to $1. Okay, but do I know for sure? No. And don't believe anybody that ever tells you they know for sure. Nobody ever knows for sure. You know what? We might break $1 and we might go to $1.25, $1.50, $2. Okay, nobody ever knows. So make sure you play accordingly to the chart and have a plan. So other than that, guys, I thank you so much for tuning in to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tune in to these videos. Right now, everything is going according to plan. Everything is looking Gucci. It's Gucci. We're heading to that 80 cents. The longer we take, this trend line goes up and up. It keeps going up. So we might consolidate here, and by the time we consolidate, this thing might be at $1 already. Okay, so guess where we're gonna go next? To $1. Okay, so that's the way the cookie crumbles. As long as we stay up on this trend, you know that your Gucci's Gucci. No need to panic. As long as we're here, watch the MACD on the 4-hour. Let's curl back up. Let's get those MACD traders back in, and let's hit that 80, 90 cents up to $1, depending how far off we go. So other than that, guys, if you're in this play right now, we are looking mighty good. No need to panic. We're on our way, all right, to celebration. So make sure if you're in really big, make sure you take some profits along the way. Take little bits here and there. Take 25%, 50% along the way. And like that, if something bad were to happen, guess what? You came out with some profit. Okay? Like I said, anything can happen. This thing can just crash. Um, Other than that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really, really appreciate you liking and subscribing and sharing it with other people. So go ahead and put it on your social media. Okay. Um, if you really like it, I'm making it simple for you to understand levels that you can. I'm not hyping things up. I'm just showing you exactly where it's going. Good probabilities of where to get in to make money. Again, I don't give you investment advice. That's totally up to you. Just give you my view and the levels that you really need to watch, so you can have that good plan for yourself. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, like and subscribe, like and subscribe. Don't forget, so I can keep making the video series for Dogecoin and anything else that pops up in the market. Okay, that's going to give you opportunities. I'm going to give you some technical analysis. So if you have anything else, leave me a comment in the video. Let me know what you think. And if we're just moving according to plan, I won't be back and making another video until tomorrow, or if something crazy happens today and either we get a big parabolic move to the upside, I'll come back and tell you, hey, this is what you need to watch for, or we get something to the downside, I'll come back. But other than that, we are going according to plan. Charts look Gucci, and yeah. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you here on the next episode of Dogecoin.